Alright, so let's talk about the Efile replacement, okay? First of all, let's consider this. Let's call the old system Efile and the new system notes. So whenever you hear someone talking about check the notes, or when you hear me talk about the note system, realize that we're talking about what the system now has in place. Whenever you hear someone talk about Efile, you're talking about what you guys used to use. I'm assuming that there'll be both of them active for a little bit as you go forward, but I'm assuming that most orders from here on out, once Mega gives the go-ahead, will be done using the note system. So you can access the note system in a couple different ways. If you've watched the previous video, you'll notice that the delivery list will have the ability to look at the note system if you pull up a move that actually has a order to it. So right here, the order ID. If you pull this directly up, now you're technically in the note system. The note system will allow you to will generate the PDF so you can see the most recent PDF and the current notes and allow you to update those notes and save them to it. But instead of going directly through the driver's log, here's the actual the direct way to do it. You go to orders up here at the left. Orders will access all the different orders that the system has done. From here, you can search for what you're looking for. Currently, we have it so you can search by customer, dealership, or who made the sale. Now we can go ahead and we can add any different things onto here. So if we need to, we'll add that this needs to search by serial number as well, or whatever else we have. But let's just go ahead and use a test order, okay? And let's go do David Bodner. Now, we know that all the David Bodners are a test because I haven't actually purchased the building. But we're going to go here to this one that we did yesterday and take a look at this. Now, one of the items that's very important is to keep in mind that this shows all the orders, including orders that were canceled. This one should have been canceled, and I'm assuming that it was, but I'll need to double check with it. But we're going to continue to use this as an example, okay? So here is the order that we're popping up from. Here you can go ahead and you can add your notes directly to this. So we're going to go pretend like we're going to say this order should have been canceled. Now you have the option to do two different things. You have the option to say save to notes. If you save to notes, it will go ahead and save it right here. It won't actually save it to the PDF, which will be okay for certain things that you're looking for. So let's go back to the note system, and let's go back to David Bodner. And let's pull that back up. As you notice, the notes are already here. It will save all the notes that are being added to this. However, like I said, it won't save to the actual PDF. If you need to save it to the PDF, you want to go ahead and say save notes to PDF. So if we go ahead and hit save notes to PDF, what it's going to do is replace this right here and put the notes directly here. Now let's regenerate this and let's take a look. This order should have been canceled. Here it is. Now once it's been on the PDF, anything that's here will actually overwrite the PDF, but we are actually saving the history of all these items. So if we needed to delete this and hit save notes to PDF, we should have a blank page here. There we go. So again, what you want to know is that you can save something to the notes that won't save it to the PDF, or you can save it to the notes and to the PDF using this tool here. From there, you can go here, search for whatever you need to do, and pull it up. Again, this is in your Office admin system, and this is here under orders.